Hello. What is this weird pattern on the end of words where an E says or it's the pattern of a consonant, an L, and an E, and it says a weird, crazy sound, not a sound we expect the letters to make. And it's predictable, and we can teach it explicitly to our young readers. My name is Allison DeFrees, and you're watching Reading with Allison. Today, I'm going to unpack the pattern and give you a few tips on how I would teach it to young children, and how I do teach it to young children as an Orton Gillingham tutor. Let me share my screen and we'll get started. Okay, here's this pattern I was talking about. There's a consonant and then it's followed by an L and an E. And I made the L and the E a different color here because they don't stand for something. Like C stands for a consonant, but an L is just an L and an E is just an E. And as a quick reminder, this is not a magic E. Magic E only jumps over one letter and it helps a vowel. It can't jump over this L and help a consonant. It doesn't help consonants, so this is not a magic E. Here's an example of a word that has the pattern. There we have it. T-L-E, that's the consonant T, and then an L, and then an E. This word is little. Now, the T-L-E sounds kind of funny. It's toll. Isn't that a weird, quirky sound? Little. Let me show you another example. Can you see the consonant LE? There it is. It's B-L-E. B is the consonant, and it's followed by an L and an E. That's pronounced bull. This word is humble. Okay, here's your last example. There it is, consonant LE, and the P will say P. It'll be followed by the sound pull. This word is maple. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you. Okay, so that's the pattern. This is how I share it with students. After teaching the pattern to students, we practice them on flashcards. So these are flashcards that I've made for my students with the pattern on it, and on the back I have some example words. So I just have a whole deck, we read them, and we practice seeing the pattern, saying the pattern, and then we have a really fun time talking about the words that match the pattern. So that's definitely how I recommend practicing it. And as a way for students to divide these syllables, we simply spot the consonant and the L and the E, and we chop it off the word. So this whole syllable is read as pull. It's read as its own syllable. And then whatever is left on the root word, that's what we try to decode and read by itself. Sometimes it's a closed syllable or an open syllable. Sometimes it's another kind of syllable. So using their existing knowledge of syllable types, we'll read the word as the first syllable and then the consonant LE syllable at the end. If you're interested in me helping your child with this pattern or with any other syllable types, I offer a course called Spelling Rules and Reading Progress. And at the recording of this video, enrollment is opening soon. So you can go to the link below to check out the course and see if it's a good fit for your family. The link is below, but it's also www.allisondefrees.com/yes. I would love to support your family in the program. I hope this video helped, and I hope you have a great day.